Hello everyone, in this video I will take you to the Gold Rush Museum in Auburn. The Gold Rush Museum, newly updated Gold Rush Museum reinterprets a 19th century world for modern day families who can pan for gold, delve into the mining experience, learn about with bag of hard-won loot. The Gold Rush Museum presents an updated and interactive look at the California's Gold Rush, which began in the Sierra Foothills. It features a mining tunnel, Gold Rush Twitter wall, many hands-on exhibits, and an indoor panning stream that is wheelchair accessible. Located in Auburn, California, address 601 Lincoln Way, Auburn. The newly refurbished museum opened in 2018 and resides in the old Auburn Depot building in downtown. It's filled with artifacts and furnishings from the bygone era, and Bernhard House transports visitors to the simpler time. The museum prominently displays an ever-growing collection of vintage medical, pharmaceutical, nursing, and dental artifacts dating from the mid-19th century to the mid-20th century. This museum presents an overview with Placer County history from early Nisenan inhabitants through the latter half of the 20th century. It also includes the Placer County Gold Collection, the renowned Pate collection of American Indian artifacts, and original Thomas Kinkade painting, Auburn Centennial. Don't expect one day to be like another in distinctive Placer County. Feel the fascination and experience the adventure within Placer's 1,400 square miles of the most beautifully diverse geography in Northern California. Placer County is the continent within a county because of its range of jewels stretching for 100 miles. Placer County sits 132 miles northeast San Francisco and 100 miles west of Reno. Within its borders, picturesque farmland and Gold Rush era towns dot the oak-covered foothills. Craggy peaks, forests, tumbling rivers, and clear alpine lakes create a natural beauty of a high country. In Placer County, you can hike among pine trees, raft the glorious rivers, mountain bike in the endurance capital of the world, and then picnic under live oaks with bottle of Mediterranean-style wine all in one day. Outdoor enthusiasts revel at the county's abundance of year-round recreational activities. Conjure seekers marvel at array of artisans, galleries, and events. Wine connoisseurs craft beer. Whether you come for lunch or a lifetime, we invite you to visit, discover, and savor Placer County. History comes alive through interact exhibits, museums, and tours that illustrate how Placer County's role in California's story is as diverse and fascinating as region's physical landscape, Pentagon like the original 49er in the majestic American River, trace the history of Maidu tribe who lived here for thousands of years, learning about mining and geology, including a working blacksmith shop in Forest Hill. Thrift literally provided a foundation that many of California's buildings are made of, including a state capitol. For a more modern lesson, relive the magic of the 1960 Winter Olympics at the museum in Tahoe City and Squaw Valley's High Camp, or celebrate technology at Roseville Telephone Museum. Claude de Jana Gold Panel Monument, a 45-ton concrete statue of Gold Rush era miner, stands at the entrance of Old Town Auburn. A small collection for shops, restaurants, and antique stores. The statue is representation for Claudiana from 1811 through 1882, the prospector who discovered gold here in the foothills east of Sacramento on May 16, 1848. It's on Lincoln Way and Park Street, Auburn, California. Placer County Courthouse Museum. This museum represents an overview of Placer County history from the early Nisenan inhabitants through the latter half of the 20th century. It also includes the Placer County Gold Collection, the renowned Pate collection of American Indian artifacts, and original Thomas Kinkade painting, Auburn Centennial. It's on 101 Maple Street, Auburn, California. like my video, please subscribe, give it a thumb up, like to support my channel. Thank you so much.